Trekking Across Oz. I'm Suzanne.
And I'm Stephen. This week sees us discover one of the hidden secrets in Queensland. We go along the Falls Drive. We visit 3 falls, varying degrees of difficulty, I think, with all 3.
Absolutely.
One was certainly in my mode of difficulty. See if you can guess which one that was. But the third one was probably the most spectacular to actually view.
Yep, definitely was. And then after that, we went on a bit of a road adventure. We discovered Condamine Gorge, and it has 14 river crossings.
And that was probably a good way to start our 4-wheel driving adventures. It was certainly beginners, but yeah.
But great for us.
Great for us.
Anyway, we hope you enjoy this week's video. Yesterday we headed into Warwick and topped up on all the necessities, food, water, alcohol. And then we headed about 35 kilometres southeast, back slightly across the New South Wales border to a place called Lagoon. Stayed there at a free camp. The reason we stayed there is because it's only 10 kilometres until we start this Falls Drive. So off to explore some waterfalls, hopefully get some spectacular views, but at the moment it doesn't look like the weather is on our side.
Well, we're straight into it, 400 metres up the road, and we're here at Browns Falls. It's about 1.2k return walk, and grade 4, so a bit of early morning exercise for us.
They've had quite a bit of rain in the area recently, so it looks like we're definitely going to get some water over the waterfalls. However, it makes the track rather slippery. They did say this was a grade 4. This wasn't what I was expecting. Within 100 metres of starting, you have to get across here. It's very slippery. So as we're going upstream, these little waterfalls are getting bigger and bigger, but also the difficulty of the path. So you've got to climb up and through all these routes. It's slippery, it's muddy, it's mossy. This was not what I was expecting at all. Beautiful though. There's these little red markers all the way. Because thank goodness, if not, you wouldn't know which way to go. So we've got to cross the river again. This is the 3rd river crossing. So we can go up that bank and get up to the waterfall. 600 metres in, rock scrambling, 3 river crossings. I actually didn't make the last one, Stephen did, so he's actually got to come back across. But certainly worth the view. So it looks like we've done it again. We took the idiot's way, and then there's the easy way. Mind you, this time it wasn't our fault. We did follow the orange markers, and then on the way back we have found an easy path. It's a lot higher, mind you, still a lot of tree roots, still very slippery, but so much easier than what we did on the way to the falls. Let's do a review, shall we? What were your thoughts on that little adventure, Stephen?
Well, I think it was category 4, they said, but I think it's category 4 if you go the right path, category 7 if you go the wrong path. Guess which one we went on? The wrong path.
Well, that's not quite true. We did follow the red markers. I just read the sign yet again to say that is the best path.
It was more than category 4 though. It was tough. It was a scramble. It was a bit wet too, so the rocks are a bit slippery, so added that little bit extra. And carrying the dog on a lead as well, it adds a degree of difficulty.
If you do this one, I suggest take your hiking poles if you have them, and don't do it soon after a lot of rain. But yeah, the end. The waterfall at the end was pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty specky actually. It was worth the walk. Worth the walk. It's only 1.2 k's return. Yeah, so it was good. Yeah, it was well worth it.
Certainly an adventure.
An adventure, yes, which is what we're after. Now we're at Daggs Falls, and this is the kind of walk that I like. It's all of about 5 metres to the lookout, but awesome falls though. Yeah, and Suzanne's heart has been in her mouth flying the drone up and down the falls, so hopefully we get some good footage out of that. Oh, this is Queen Mary Falls. This is the third fall we visited in about the last 5 kilometres. Luckily, we've had a little bit of rain, so as you can see, it's quite a bit of noise, quite a bit of water falling down it, and it's yeah, quite spectacular.
Just a tip, if you don't like climbing up 100 stairs, then do the Queen Mary Falls in a clockwise direction, because at the end, if you go anti-clockwise, you've got 100 stairs to climb up.
We've headed out along the Condamine River road. Currently has about 14 river crossings. We've actually lucked in. We've actually got somebody following along behind us that we've buddied up with on the CB. So yeah, we should be right. It's supposed to be beginners, and we definitely are that. So yeah, see how we go.
How are you going with it, Frankie? You've come across to say hello?
He's wondering what the hell's going on, I think. He's going, this is not usual, it's not normal.
What's going on? Hey? Currently up to about our 5th crossing. There's 14 in total. So Frankie, you've been going crazy now for about 20 minutes and it's taken me this long to work out what's wrong. You want to go for a swim in all these river crossings. What do you want to do? You want to go for swimming? Yes. You're normally so quiet in the back, aren't you? This one looks a little bit deeper. Shoot. I think we're up to maybe 9 or 10.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground.
They're coming thick and fast at the moment. It's not far in between each one.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. In no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer.
Hope you really enjoyed this week's video. If you haven't already done so, hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. It does help our channel grow, and we really think we're worth watching.
Yeah, I think so, but that's completely unbiased.
Now, in next week's video, we go and camp along the Condamine River for 2 nights.
And then we head into Leyburn. We found out that was where the first Grand Prix in Queensland was held, and also the longest running licensed pub in Queensland also. And, well, we had to partake.
And then we head to another small town called Millmerran, and we check out all the murals and silo art, and guess what? We ran into the artist and got to meet him. So make sure you watch next week's video, and we'll see you then. Have a great week.
Have a great week, all.
See ya.